morning, good evening, and good afternoon, everyone. Today is the first day of the boot camp. Yes, the lecture. This will be our first lecture of the year or whatever it will be. I don't know. I haven't planned that far yet, but I have planned to teach all of you the basis of trading, what to use, how to proceed, and how to become a financial market trader. Yatta! Okay, so the reason why you guys are here, I'm assuming, is probably because most of you want to escape the rat race. Like, you guys want to escape the matrix, right? Is that why you're here, or are you guys, okay, you're not here for that, you're just here because I'm stupid. Yeah, alright, so we want to become rich through trading, of course, because that is what I teach. I mean, we could also get rich through gambling, but yeah, I don't do gambling. We do calculated risks and technical analysis. Yes. So, how to proceed and what are we gonna begin with? Lesson 1. Lesson 1 will just be a psychology check because that is what you need to start. That is the most fundamental and the most important thing that you will need in trading. Okay, so why mental check? Why a psychology check? Because in trading, I'd say technical analysis and whatever, it is not that complicated. You should not make it that complicated. What's really important is your mindset. Can you handle a loss? Can you handle horrible things that will come at you? Obviously, because the market is not easy. It is easy technically, but it is not easy mentally. That is why the first lecture will be how to master your psychology for trading. Alright, so you want to escape the matrix through trading. Psychology, like I said, that will be important. Now, what I will be telling you is the most important choice that you have to make before we proceed. Red cucumber or green cucumber? Do you want to be average? Or do you want to go through a bloody season, bloody years even perhaps, to achieve success? Well, obviously, the reason why most of you are here right now is because you are willing to get that red cucumber, that spicy one that is full of flavor. Yes, this channel will teach you how to become a dedicated person, a successful person, a person that is set on their goals, a person that wants to be successful, that wants to escape the rat race, that wants to be free. I'm not free though, not yet, but I hope I will, and I hope you will too. This is what this channel is about. Me teaching you my personal experience, me giving you a guide so that you don't make the same mistake as I do. And from what I've learned, psychology is really important in this game of financial and economical stuff. So now that we know what we want, the red cucumber, the spicy one, the flavorful one, and the bloody one, and the one that you have to like having in your ass, yes, now that we know that, we know what we'll do next. At least I will tell you what we'll do next. Alright? So, let's start on something simple and easy. how to begin controlling yourself. Do you just want to change? Like small changes. We do not have to take big steps. Big steps are obviously too much, but it's good. But usually people don't have the mental strength. But I believe you might have the mental strength. But still, it's best to take it step by step. So we all know where we've fucked up or where we fuck up. That's why small steps are important. Also, journalize your small steps so that you know where you fucked up, where you made your mistake. Sorry, frustrating. Yes. So what we're gonna do is first begin with something small, getting out of your comfort zone. For example, working out. It can be difficult. It is difficult to start and to continue. But if you get out of your comfort zone and keep on going for 2 months, just trust me. Do it for 2 months and you'll see that becomes your comfort zone. Going to the gym becomes your comfort zone. Say you don't like doing the dishes, just keep on doing it every day for 2 months and you'll see a change. Because patterns, habits is what makes people people. We have that in our brain to follow patterns. And if you're in your comfort zone, you're in a certain pattern that you need to get out of if it's bad, if you don't want it. And I'm guessing the reason why you're here is because you want to get out of your comfort zone that is just making you depressed. And I'm not saying that you'll be less depressed by being a financial trader. No. It'll get worse from this point on. And that's the reason why I said it's a red cucumber, a red one, a spicy one that you just shoved in your ass and that is full of blood. Right. So life will not get any easier. It will get more difficult. But at least you'll achieve your goals. You might become financially free and you know what you're doing in your life. So yeah, 2 months of something that gets you out of the comfort zone. That's just it. Be dedicated. That is what I am teaching you in this first lecture. Be dedicated. There is always more. Someone will always be more dedicated than you. And they are winning the race right now. The rat race. But it's not about them. It's about you, because you have your own speed. And with your way of figuring things out, you might even come to a better solution. Because speed isn't everything. It's about your will, your determination, and your dedication to continue and continue through failures and errors, no matter what. So yeah, that is it pretty much. To be even more dedicated, to do the things that you're uncomfortable with. If you're watching this video right now, you probably have the time. So get out of your comfort zone, do something productive, go make a sandwich maybe, I don't know. Just do it. Just do it. Get out of your comfort zone. Train your mentality to go through something difficult, to go through pain, to go through things that don't go your way, because trading will be like that in the beginning. Failures, errors, market being like fuck you, take think this bullshit. Give me your money. The market will be horrible. It will be painful, especially since you're a beginner and you don't know what you're doing. Maybe you're not even a beginner. Maybe you have already plenty of experience. But hey, the reason why you're here, if you're going to watch to understand trading more, to become profitable, to make money out of your invested money, then yeah, there is something wrong that you're doing. And what I'm saying, what I'm thinking is that it's your mentality that is wrong. You need to be dedicated.